We're called the Center for Healthcare Ethics, and healthcare ethics is a term that is synonymous with bioethics. For our purposes, they mean the same thing. Now, bioethics, or healthcare ethics, is a field that emerged in the late 1960s and 70s in response to new developments in medical technology.
The conversation is enhanced and propelled when examined from more than just one perspective. That is really how you can be most thoughtful and rigorous and insightful about the answers that we give to the hard questions that medicine throws at us.
What can we do to reinvigorate the moral imagination that seems to be constricted by contemporary ways of thinking about technology? Students continue to take philosophy and theology, as well as other things like bioethics and the law, organizational ethics, research ethics, clinical ethics, things like that.
We focus on training scholar practitioners in bioethics, which means we are really dedicated to training students in their writing skills and making them prepared for rigorous academic research, but also we train them in sort of an interdisciplinary way to engage the questions of bioethics from multiple perspectives and a practical perspective, meaning we want our students to be able to enter the hospital setting when they graduate and have something helpful to say to real doctors, real nurses, real patients and their families.
And a simple, oh, this medication does, treats hypertension, this medication treats, I don't know, heart disease. But so the questions are a little bit different.
A person who's on a ventilator who does not appear to have brain activity, yet their heart is still beating. Is this person dead or alive? What even is death? What is life? How you answer that question determine what is ethically appropriate to do or not?
It truly is an interdisciplinary program, and that interdisciplinary faculty and coursework is representative of the breadth and scope of challenges that people face in healthcare today. It can seem daunting to come into a long, sometimes 4, 5, 6-year program, but it's a fulfilling process, and it's a process that sets you up very well for an interesting and meaningful career.